Welcome to the exercise. Try adding address fields to your form. First, you'll need to expand the form container. Next, add the address fields. Cloning existing fields using Alt-Drag will save you having to format the new fields. Enter the placeholder text for each address field using the Input Properties panel. Then, align the new forms using alignment options and tidy up the form.
Let's pause for a moment here so that we can show you step by step for how to align the columns in this form using our alignment feature. First, we'll align the left column by holding Shift and selecting each form element. Select Left Align in the top menu's toolbar. Then reopen the alignment options and select Distribute Vertically. Next, we'll align each element in the right column horizontally to the left column by using the top alignment option. To do this, hold Shift and select the top two elements that are somewhat next to one another. Select Top Alignment and do the same for the bottom inputs. Finally, hold Shift and select each element in the right column. Select Left Align. You can also move the entire column closer to the left. To make sure that the spacing is perfect, select Left Align, and you can always make adjustments by redoing everything you just learned in this module. And you're done.
Next, wire up these form fields to your autoresponder list using the API. You may need to add address fields to your autoresponders list if it doesn't already contain them. Don't forget to match each of the new fields to a type using the Forms menu in the top toolbar. And update the assigned field type of each new field using the form field settings of the Properties panel. Finally, Save, and republish your page.